What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Posted from the Beemer Fam, back at it again today. Unfortunately, we have a problem with the E92 M3. Before we get into it, remember you guys, we're still doing the giveaway at 1K subscribers. We're less than 100 away, so make sure you're subscribed and make sure you follow the details in the description below to be entered into the giveaway. When it was -50 here in Michigan this winter, my battery died even though the car was in the garage. But got the battery working, got the car running, and I come to find out that my driver window will not automatically go up and down. It will still move if I press the buttons on the driver door, but if I hold the buttons down, they do not automatically go up and down. That being said, the passenger door will not automatically roll down or up to fit the fitment of the window frame since my car is a coupe. I'll show you guys a little bit about what I'm talking about. Alright, if we look over here, driver window works perfectly fine. Now let's look at the passenger window. It goes down fine, but it doesn't automatically roll up. Now the problem with this is, if we take a look at the window now, it's rolled up, I open it, the window doesn't come down like it's supposed to. And if I try to shut the door, it won't shut because the window is actually protruding over the edge. Do not want to close it that way. So what you have to do, walk all the way back around. We have to roll the window down just a little bit. Come back around. And now we can shut it. Now, like you probably have guessed, we gotta go around again to roll the window up. You can tell I really love this problem. Voila. I actually had this same problem on my old E93 My windows would roll down automatically, but one of my windows would not roll up automatically, just like you saw here. All I had to do was take it to BMW and they resynchronized the windows. I guess it's actually called reinitialized. And it took them probably 5 minutes and they got it done for free. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna try a reset that I saw on YouTube. They say to roll the window down, hold the down button for 15 to 20 seconds. Then roll it to the up position and hold the button there for 20 seconds. Now it's time to see if this worked. All right, windows down, still works. Let's try up. Yeah, it worked. Oh my God, thanks. Thanks, YouTube. Well, now I guess my window's fixed. Let's go check it out. Come back around the car again. The window went down a little bit. Look, it fits. We did it. We did it. BMW dealership, you are not needed for this. Yo, I never knew you could reinitialize the windows that easily. So those of you who need to do the same, take note. You can do it yourself. It only takes about a minute. Now I feel like $1 million. All right, guys, the car is gonna be back on the road here very soon now that the weather is nice here in Michigan. So stay tuned. Per usual, make sure you drop a like and comment. Let me know if you like this, if this was helpful for you, or if you thought it was just entertaining. It's been your boy Posted. Peace.